Hello, this is Isaac, and this is for my CSC 110 Winter 2019 for Mr. Wellman's class, and I'll be doing Chapter 3, Exercise 12. So I'll be programming a clock to look like this. So what I first did was to import turtle, and this def tick mark to place the ticks. So the first thing it would do is it would pick up the pen, then it will move forward 80 dashes or steps. Then it will put down the pen and it will move forward 10, pick up the pen and move forward 10 again, and it will stamp the turtle. Then it will take a left at 180 and it will go forward 100 and then take a left at 180. So def clock, this to pretty much make the clock. So for I in the range of 12, so it has 12 dashes, tick mark, and for my turtle's name, it's named thing. Then my thing will make a left 30 degrees. So this is to open the turtle page, and this is to make the background color the light green. Thing is the name of my turtle. The color of my turtle will be blue. The shape of my thing will be a turtle, and pretty much this is to make it come true. If we run it, it will make my clock. Thank you.